You're watching Appalachian Axeworks on YouTube.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel today. I thought I'd share something with you that I've been working on recently. One of the things that we like to do when we're out picking and when we're hitting the antique stores, the junk stores, whatever, not only are we looking for axes and hatchets, vintage knives, things like that, but I also look for vintage leather. It's really cool to find a vintage leather piece. One of the trips recently, we found this piece. It's a Possibles pouch or a little satchel or something, and definitely handmade. Somebody, kind of roughed it out. Didn't really, you can tell it's all uneven, but it's a cool little pouch. Tell somebody didn't use a pattern. They just kind of free-handed it, and came out nice. And it's oiled. You can smell it. When you smell it, you can smell. Definitely got some oils and things in it. So who knows what it was used for, but really cool little pouch. So usually when I find a vintage piece of leather like this, I try to copy it, and or kind of get something close to it, since I think it's so cool. So what I did was I blew this apart. I unstitched it, took it all the way down, and I made a pattern. And as rough as this is, the pattern took a little bit of work, so the pattern turned out nice, but I ended up with a pattern. So as you can see, this is the main back panel right here. Alright, and you can see how rough this is. It's all uneven, kind of rough. Well, the pattern is nice and straight and even. This is the gusset. So I made the gusset, and this is the front panel. And again, so you can see this one here, it's kind of rough, uneven, and all. And made a nice, even pattern. And then I added a belt strap, where this one does not have a belt strap. I wanted a belt strap on it, but it's a really cool little pouch, and I was like, I gotta make one of these. So this one here, I put it all back together. So this is gonna end up being sold in one of my Etsy shops. It's really cool though. It's really nice. The leather's still soft. Somebody, maintained it, kept it oiled and everything, nice and soft. Does have the snap, and I'm gonna sell it just like this. I'm not gonna clean it up or anything. It looks so cool. I'm just gonna put it up for sale just like this. And then I'll show you what I ended up with. So my own take on it is this. So I made my pattern, and then I was actually going to do a video on making this, but I was so excited to do it because it's something different than always making sheaths. And so, but as you can tell, this is my own take. So I added the belt strap to it, where this one does not have a belt strap. Stitched it all with leather lace, and then put a closure on it instead of using a snap. Then and this peg here is made from a vintage hatchet handle. We took a old hatchet handle off a hatchet that we refurbished, and we don't throw them away. We try to make things out of them or use them for other things. And so we made this little peg. So there you, just like that. Put a little lanyard on the peg so you don't lose it, so it hangs down. And then, as you can see, very similar to the original one. This one's just all nice and even cut, but I dyed it. This was a nice heavy piece of 9-ounce veg tan. I used Phoebing's Pro Dye, and then I put saddle butter on it. Didn't put any kind of finish other than the saddle butter, because I want that natural. I want it to naturally patina, so no top coat or anything on it. And then there you go. So pretty cool piece. So this one here will eventually be for sale in one of our Etsy shops too, because I do sell some leather products in our Etsy shop. But I thought I would share that. I thought it was pretty cool, and just something, give you an idea when if you're out picking or yard sale or something, and you see a vintage piece of leather and you really like it, you can always take it and make your own pattern, and then make your own version of it. And that's something really cool you can do. So just thought I'd share it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like these kind of videos, hit the like button. Comment down below if you've made, you know, your own items from vintage leather. So that'd be kind of cool to let me know if you've done kind of your own thing with that. And, you know, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.